back to my channel, my A1 day. Welcome back to another one of my hair videos, y'all. I've been feeling this hair, and I know y'all gonna get mad at me because I did not record me coloring this hair, but I'm out here looking like a whole Lola Rabbit out here. And for those of y'all who don't know who that is, no, Jessica Rabbit. For those y'all who don't know who that is, y'all too young. But yes, so this is another hair review from Ali Grace. This is not sponsored, but y'all know I love the bob so much. I love the bob so much that I had to go back and get another one, and this is their 18-inch 613 wig, blonde wig, and same results as the last one, as the bob. I didn't get any shedding because I'm like, okay, maybe I got a good pack of hair, but I just think it's their company in general. And no shedding, no tangling. And the reason why my hair is messy like this is because I curled it and then I brushed it out because I want like a little messy look anyway. But no messy, not no messy, oh my gosh, no tangling, no knots, none of that. The hair that I did bleach the knots this time, but I also tint my lace. But you know, but yes, yeah, I'm feeling this hair, like feeling this hair, feeling this color. Everything came out good. Everything came out so right. This time it didn't come with lashes, so I had these lashes already, so I just threw on some lashes. But all in all, this hair company is legit. Like it's legit. Like you can't get any better than this hair. So this is 18 inches straight blonde, and I paid $184 for this hair. Now, you know, some hair companies you pay like $200 and all the way up, but for me, if you're in like it's a good price range for this hair, I should say. So yeah, you guys, I really do not have anything bad to say about this hair. I did use Arctic Fox. I did use it wasn't orange, I think it was like, I don't know, I'll put it down in the description below for you guys. But y'all, this hair is bomb. And you know, it's Halloween, so happy October, and it's fall time, and fall is my favorite time. And so this is why I decided to do the orange look, because it's different, you know, it's different. I really haven't seen anybody with this color orange in their hair, to be honest. I might be wrong, but you know, usually people who are dressing up for Halloween, you know, they wear colors like this. Like, no honey, this is my color for the month, and I love it. I really do love it. It did take a 2-day process like my hair normally takes. The difference with this hair is that I didn't let it dry. Like, I didn't wait for it to dry. Once I washed it, then I dried it with a microfiber towel, and I started blow drying it. Now, it took forever to blow dry, so I would rather let it air dry than blow dry it. But this hair, it turned out good. This hair is super thick. I think I got 150 density. Okay, so this is 150 density. Now, I want to say my bob was, my bob was the same thing. My bob was 150 density, but I feel like with the bob, it had a good amount of hair for it to be a bob. And I feel like with this one, it's like super thick and super full. So I don't know, because if it's because it's longer, that's why I was like, whoa. And with my bob, I only used one of the blue, one of the yellow, one of the pink. With this hair, I had to use 3.5. Yeah, 3.5 going on 4 bottles of orange, because that's how thick it is. And that's just, it should tell you something. That's how thick this hair is. And yeah, so I'm gonna give y'all a full turnaround. But like I said, I paid $185. I got my hair, I don't think I told y'all all of that. Oh my gosh. I ordered my hair Friday the 27th, and I didn't receive my hair until October 2nd. So about 4 days, which is not bad. Not bad. And then I did it I didn't do it last night, but I think I did it the 4th, Friday the 4th. So yeah, it really wasn't, shipping never takes that long. Shipping takes about 3 to 5 days, but for me it took around 4 days. And you have to be home. That's one thing I noticed. Like, if you do get this ship and you're not home, they're going to ship it to somewhere where you can go pick it up. So your local post office, FedEx, whatever. So yeah, but I'm gonna give y'all a turnaround. And if y'all wanted to know, this fit is from Fashion Nova. So this is a 3-piece outfit. So we got this. So yeah, this is a 3-piece outfit, and I got the felines. I got the felines to go with them. You know, I found those felines by luck, and it goes with the outfit. So if you guys want me to do a fashion haul or a fall haul, everything that I wore for the month of October, I will do that. Just let me know in the comments below. Also, I want to know what color should I do for November. So yes, I'm already looking for a color for November. I already know what color I want to do for November, but I just want to get y'all opinions. I like doing these colors. But yes, so make sure you follow all my social media in the description below. Make sure you follow Allie Grace, and all of their social medias will be in the description below. If you want this hair, the website to this hair will be in the description below. Make sure you like this video, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more hair tutorials. Well, not hair tutorials, but more wig reviews, as well as how I colored the wigs, how I tinted. This is my first time laying down my baby hair, so don't judge me because I'm trying something different, you know, different things, different day. And we out.